Well, this forecast for today and tomorrow may give you some goosebumps because it's still on the cool side. Check out what's going on right now in the Bismarck, Mandan area, and it's kind of breezy and cool. And we have some drier air moving in. There are some showers around the area. We're at 56 degrees right now in Bismarck. Dew point at 47. So drier air moving in, can tell by the dew points. We've had 60s for a while, and now dew points dropping off in the 40s. And this is kind of a pretty close indicator where our overnight lows could possibly drop to. So we could maybe be heading to some 40s throughout the night. Still kind of breezy. Southwest winds at 16 miles per hour. Today's highs. Can't even believe I'm showing these for August. Some upper 50s across eastern Montana. That is well below average. 60s out toward the west and through the central. Toward the east, just a little bit warmer. Fargo at 82 today, so a dramatic difference across the state. Actually 20 degrees from Fargo to Dickinson if I want to do some math in public. Our almanac for today, Bismarck, 69 for the high, low of 56. No precipitation today, although I think I saw a few sprinkles. I don't know if we want to call that a trace, but averages are 82 and 54, so well below average. Records are 104 and 33, and Dickinson 62 was the high today, 20 degrees below average. Very cool out there, low of 52, and that's pretty close to our average, and we did pick up a little bit of rain throughout the day. Temperatures already dropping off into some 40s in Baker, near 40 for Buffalo, and Hettinger into the upper 40s anyway. But most of us definitely on the chilly side, and as I like to say, it's some good sleeping weather. Open up those windows and let in those the cooler air anyway. Wind's been out of the west or kind of southwest through the central. What's going on here is we have the low pressure system kind of moving out of the area, and it's keeping the cold pool, this cool air kind of centered over us. And with a big pressure change over the area, of course, we have some very strong winds, very North Dakota-like. All right, your harvest forecast tomorrow. It's probably still going to be kind of wet out in the fields, but mostly cloudy sky expected in the morning. It's going to be chilly, breezy, probably some mid-50s still. Humidity pretty high. West wind still kind of breezy, around 10 to 20, and probably going to pick up throughout the day into the teens, maybe gusting into some 20s, maybe to near 30 miles per hour. And it's going to be cool again tomorrow. Really don't see any precipitation in our forecast, though. We're probably going to be looking at some 60s. Still some rain kind of lingering around here, though. Just some light to maybe moderate rainfall between Dickinson and Bismarck and north of I-94. Maybe had some sprinkles going across the southwest. Things are kind of tapering off there, but closer to the lake, just still some rain showers just kind of remaining around the area. That's from Beulah to Golden Valley up toward the lake there and kind of extending farther down toward the south. This will continue off out of the area throughout the night. Some good news there. We've had plenty of precipitation. We all know that over the last multiple days. Still going to be breezy and cool tonight and tomorrow as well. I think the cloud cover is going to still linger around for a little while before that moves on out. Might see some more sunshine by afternoon. A little bit of cloud cover in the area on Tuesday. There's hints of precipitation. I think it's going to stay farther down into South Dakota, and we'll have another dry day and then actually some drier weather for most of the work week coming up. Definitely some good news there. Tonight in Bismarck, 50. That's cool. Tomorrow, 65. That's still cool. And it's going to be kind of breezy as well. Dickinson, very similar forecast. Could have some upper 40s. Tomorrow only near 61, so that cold air is going to be lingering around for actually about 2 more days before we start to climb out of it. This is still below average, but you notice that highs in the next couple days. Still chilly, some 60s to maybe near some 50s off toward the north and toward the west. Definitely below average. Tuesday, about the same, but just a little bit warmer with some temperatures in the lower 70s, some upper 60s. But with one button click, things start to change for the better. There we go. Got happy campers now because just in time for the holiday, temps will be warming up back into some 80s. Let's hear some clapping, everyone. Thank you. Yes. So,
thank you.
I know, it's hard to believe. It's August and we have 60s and even 50s for highs around here. It's not unheard of, but yeah. I don't like hearing it.
I wore a scarf and boots today.
I know.
Straight ahead on